How to quickly capture a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A15. Now the easiest way to take a screenshot is to use palm swipe like this. This will allow you to quickly capture a screenshot. You can also take a screenshot by using the volume down button and the side button. So press on both keys simultaneously and let go like that. So press and let go. So press on both keys and let go at the same time to take a screenshot. And for palm swipe, if it does not work, you need to go into settings, and we need to turn on the palm swipe to take a screenshot feature. And in settings, we need to go down and tap on advanced features, then tap on motions and gestures. And in here, we want to make sure palm swipe to capture is turned on. It should be turned on by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.